Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to moonwalk in Dead by Daylight on a controller. The moonwalk is a crucial survivor technique, allowing you to move backward while your character faces forward. This helps you avoid killer attacks, especially flashlight saves, and maintain better camera control to track the killer's movements. It's an advanced maneuver that requires precise timing and practice to execute consistently. To begin, ensure you are using the default controller settings for Dead by Daylight, as this provides the most consistent input. When initiating the moonwalk, quickly flick your left stick to the side, then immediately pull it backward. Simultaneously, use your right stick to maintain a consistent camera angle, keeping the killer in your field of view. This initial movement sets up the full moonwalk. Executing the moonwalk involves a precise sequence. First, while running forward, quickly turn your camera 180 degrees using the right stick. At the same moment, move your left stick to the side and slightly backward. This combination creates the backward movement while your character appears to face forward. Continuously adjust your camera with the right stick to keep the killer in sight. Mastering the moonwalk takes dedicated practice. Head into custom games to repeatedly perform the technique, building muscle memory and refining your timing. Experiment with different camera sensitivities and stick movements to find what feels most comfortable for you. Consistent practice will significantly enhance your survivor evasion skills, making you a more formidable player in Dead by Daylight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.